Thiko imwe kuma muhuraniri wa githurano kia upresident Raila Odinga aregana na maumirira ma githurano kinene. Ngwataniro ino ni cemanitie o ringi na atongoria aria marathurirwo iturwa-ini cia governor, senator ona abunge. Thutha wa mathaa matano mucemanio uria nyumba cia mohoro itanaheo mweke wa kuingira, ngwataniro ino yukire na ndumiriri ingi umuthi. Munini wa Raila Martha Karua akihinyiriria ati nimahotanire no uhotani wao gitirio na riu mari na mwihoko igoti karu nirikumahotanira.
Give them a brief as where we are with regard to presidential elections, and they have approved the steps that we have decided to take as Azimio coalition.
On the matter of the election, ours is victory deferred, but it's coming home. And that's the message to everyone.
Miario ya Martha ni huritwo njeki ni mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka uria ugite nditi ya gwetha Kihooto ndirahwererekera nginya igoti karu rimateithurane cira uria mekuhanda.
Inji hii bado ni mapambano ili haki mwishowe ipatikane, so that Kenyans can live happily together with each other as brothers and sisters. So unfortunately this has happened because of what happened at Bomas of Kenya, and therefore that process, the legal process, continues.
Gukinyiria umuthi ngwataniro ya Azimio iri na thiko ithano ihande cira igoti-ini ikaru amuke watho cira wa gutetia maumirira ma president ufatie kuhandwo thiko mugwanja thutha wa maumirira maya kwanirirwo.
After meeting, we must look and plan how we are going to execute our mandate. And that is normal. And our members are taking that up.
But the most important matter is to stand in solidarity and to stand together.
No na gukire uguo President Muthure Dr. William Ruto ni ugite ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza ni haririirie kung'ethanira na mawakiri ya Azimio One Kenya igoti-ini, akiuga uhotani wa mwaka uyu ukirite wa mwaka wa 2013.
As we put our country together to move even in the direction of the Senate, the National Assembly, the county governments, and so this is where we are moving, even as the other process that was alluded to by Brother Raila yesterday also gets underway.
We will be suggesting members of Kenya Kwanza to the transition committee. I think we are doing that today, so that the process of the transition can kick in and we can go towards concluding the matter of the election. So if there will be court processes, we will engage in those and make sure that because we are Democrats and we believe in the rule of law.
Maya magithiaga na mbere mucirithania munene Martha Kameme ni agire na igutha inene thutha wa mucirithania wa igoti inene Justice Mugure Thandi gutianiria mukana uria ekirire mawakiri wa gwithemana na kwaragia iguru rigie macira maria mahanditwo igoti-ini ikaru nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Na kwa igoti-ini ria Milimani mihariria ma macira ma gutetia maumirira ma githurano no marathie na mbere. Umuthi munene wa borithi Lazarus Opicho na Winfrida Rotich magitongoria mihango ya guthurima wihariria uyu. Thutha wa kuregana na maumirira ma githurano kinene, riu ngwataniro ya Azimio irauga uhotani wari wao, na riu kiria mambiririe ni gucokaniria nyumba yao ya Azimio o magietagirira kuhanda cira igoti-ini itugiru itua ria igoti riri o rigietagirirwo ni a Kenya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ndi nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC Nairobi, njitagwo Waara wa Ndung'u.